Pop-on veneers is one of the best things that ever happened to me. I saw the ad a few months ago and I was scrolling and I was like, well, maybe I need to try this out because I'm unable to afford dental implants and I have teeth missing and I want to be able to smile and talk and eat my food. So when I put my order in and received the package for my molds, I did have to do the molds like 3 different times, but once I did it the last time, they were able to make the veneers and I received them exactly on my birthday, which was perfect timing. And once I got them, I just couldn't stop smiling and I felt so good about myself. Until this day, I still feel great with my veneers and I definitely recommend them to anybody looking for a better smile. They are fast, fun, reliable, affordable, and they give you great deals. And you can get a spare veneers. Make sure you get the stuff to clean them with. But I definitely recommend pop-on veneers to any and everybody looking for a better smile.